So if you are planning for a highly budget-friendly smartphone, Samsung has multiple A series handsets yet to launch. And now one of them, the Galaxy A37, has just spotted on the Geekbench listing, giving us a guess at its performance and chipset details. Hey lads, TechScanning here. So as per the listing, the Samsung Galaxy A37 will see a big change in its chipset. It will use the Samsung's in-house Exynos 1480 chipset, which is unlike the Galaxy A36 which came with the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3. Here worth mentioning, Samsung used the same Exynos 1480 chipset on its costlier phone from 2024, the Galaxy A55. Anyway, to the benchmark result. The Galaxy A37 marked 1158 single-core and 3401 multi-core points. Now, in comparison, its predecessor, the Galaxy A36, scored 1001 single-core and 2972 multi-core points. So yes, there is improvement, especially a decent over 14% increase in multi-core points. So we are expecting the Galaxy A37 to be faster than its predecessor. Moving on, the benchmark revealed the A37 is running on 6 gigs of RAM. Of course, there will be other RAM variants like 8 gigs or maybe even 12 gigs like its predecessor. Now, unfortunately, rest of the details are still under wraps, but to recall, the Galaxy A36 has a 6.7 inches Super AMOLED display. Anyway, I will keep you updated as soon as there are any more details, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.